Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see a question asked in May 2016 paper. In that paper the question asked on the multiplexer, just like the question is, implement the following Boolean equation using single 4:1 mux and few logic gates. As you have seen, the given function is of variables PQRS and it's a post-form equation. So this is particularly identified as a post-form, that is nothing but the product of sum. So starting to the solution part of this equation or the sum, first of all we need to convert this equation into SOAP form. Okay, so it will be easy and our regular way to solve the question. So first of all I'll convert it into regular SOAP form equation. Since post form and SOAP form are complementary to each other, okay, therefore function PQRS can be written as sum of products, the terms which are absent in the post that will be present in the SOAP form equation. So this is going to be my SOAP form equation. Okay, so 0 is present in the post form, so it will be 1, 2 is present, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is present here, 8 is absent, 9 is present, 10 absent, 11, 12 is present, 13, 14. So this is my SOAP form equation for the given post form equation. Now to solve this equation we will require to take a help of K-map. So we will draw a 4 variable K-map here. For this 4 variable K-map, P and Q are S, where P is indicated as the MSB part here and S as the LSB part, and the positions are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, now if you're going to fill up this K-map, the positions are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 and 15. So okay, so we are going to solve the equation on the basis of SOAP form. Okay, that is our regular way to solve. So for SOAP form we are going to enter 1 in the K-map. So at these positions 1 3 4 8 10 11 13 and 14 we are going to enter 1 in the K-map. So 1 3 4, after that 8 10 13 and 14. So these are going to be my equations, or sorry, the filling of K-map. Now before making the K-map, let me tell you how we are going to take a help of this K-map to draw 4:1 mux.